Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zafrani tea. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of saffron strands, and 2 green cardamom pods. Don't forget 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of your favorite black tea leaves, and sugar to your liking. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a perfect cup. First, in a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with the saffron strands, crushed cardamom pods, and the cinnamon stick. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the spices to fully infuse into the water, creating a fragrant and flavorful base for your tea. You'll notice the water transforming into a lovely golden hue. Now, add 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves to the simmering saffron-infused water. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how strong you prefer your tea. Be careful not to oversteep, as this can make the tea bitter. Once brewed to perfection, strain the tea directly into your serving cups. Finally, add sugar to taste, stir well, and your exquisite Zafrani tea is ready to be savored. Enjoy every warm, aromatic sip. To elevate your Zafrani tea, try lightly toasting the cardamom and cinnamon before adding them to the water. This deepens their flavor. You can also experiment with a few drops of rose water at the end for an extra layer of fragrant aroma. For a creamier texture, a splash of warm milk can be a delightful addition. Remember, the best tea is the one you enjoy most. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.